Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and today we're talking about how you can make money by finding and flipping properties. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money by finding and flipping properties. Now, what do I mean by finding and flipping properties? If you can find properties, whether it's locally in your neighborhood, in your town, in your county, or within your state that are for sale by owner, you can go out, take a look at those properties, see if it's something worthwhile for you to invest in, make any repairs that need to be done, maybe repaint, change trim, anything like that, then resell that property for a profit. This is something that I done when I was a teenager with a couple friends. We found duplexes that were for sale by owner. We would go in, take a look at the property, see what may or may not need to be done, do those minor repairs, and then sell it. Now, not saying that you're going to get a bulk ton of money, but you do make a fair amount of money off of each property. We'll say hypothetically, you come across a property like we did for a duplex. It was for sale for $3,000. And all it needed was a new paint job on the walls. The cabinets in the kitchen could be restained, and the trim needed to be restained. Fairly simple stuff. The downstairs part of the duplex, the basement area, only needed to be cleaned. And there was a couple of minor little nail holes and things like that that needed to be taken care of. So overall, it took more time than it did in the aspect of cost to make that stuff for repairs to get done. I'd say, if I remember correctly, we spent about maybe $50 to $100 of material, stains, primers, paints, the necessities in order to get things done. Once everything was done, we were able to sell that for a profit. And it didn't even take long. Now, of course, not every situation is the same, so you have to be careful on what it is that you're going to invest and how much it's going to take to get that return of investment, the ROI, out of that property, but it is something entirely possible to do. Some houses may have a lot more repairs that need to be done. There could be potentially repairs that you do not see that need to be done. So when an inspector goes through and checks out the property before it gets sold, they might discover something that you didn't when you found the property that still needs to be done. Definitely be thorough when you're checking the properties. Make sure that you can do everything prior to sale. And if you're somebody that doesn't have that skill of making those repairs yourself, you're definitely going to want to consider the fact of how much you're investing to buy that property, what it's going to cost to repair that property, and then what you're going to have to do to get a profit from that property. If you want more information, head on over to consultablindguy.com/blog, and you can find an article there on more information for you to be able to have some tips, tricks and things to consider on this topic. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below, and who knows, maybe your question will become the topic of another video. Until then, I hope you have a great day or evening. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next episode.